If you're seeing the upload file size exceeded error in phpMyAdmin, it's because the PHP configuration limits the size of files that can be uploaded. So let's look how to fix this. For this we have to locate PHP configuration file. Normally it is located on following path. Next open php.ini file in Notepad as shown here. There search for upload max file size settings as shown here. Change this value to something bigger size like 64 or 100. Next search for post max size settings. Then change its value to something like 128. Next go to File in menu bar and then save the file. After that just restart your Apache and MySQL server. Then try uploading bigger file, you should be able to upload it. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.